Yo, yo, yo! It's me again, Kachow. And our lesson for today is tech again. So, if you're asking me, what should you focus? T10 if you are still in HQ30 or just turned HQ30. Okay? If you will ask me, what should you focus on? T10 or level 10 troops or HQ31. So I would suggest T10. Okay. So I have a video for this. Just look for the video in my page in my YouTube channel. So after you unlock T10, go for the HQ. So you need this oil tech. You need this one, the last one. Base level Caprice to 35. So you need to upgrade this so you can upgrade your HQ to from HQ30 to 31. So how would you do it? So I'll show you first the important tech here. So it's not that important. Some of it are not that important. As you can see, I leave some from the sides unlevel, just one, and max the middle. So I'll just follow the required tech for the skill tree to move further. So first, you will be leveling this. Unlock new building oil well. So you'll get an oil well like this. So these are the oil wells. So as you can see, I have five. So you'll unlock this. You need those to upgrade some buildings to 31 to 35. Look at this. Oil. Bebe oil. So, you'll be unlocking this first. Then, you need to max these three. Actually, I, I think you don't need to max these three. I'm not sure, okay? It's just follow the required level to go further, okay? To go further to the to go further to the next skill tree, okay? So once you level you level this enough to unlock this, definitely go for this. This won't give you another oil well, just increase in output, okay? It will produce 10% more oil, okay? And then once you can research these two, this two is also important, but if you unlock these two and this is available 100%, definitely you should focus on this, okay? Level this first so you will have another tech center. So it will give you the third tech center. So this one, the first tech is free, and then the second tech you need to buy it, okay, with cash. So luckily for me, some of my friends sponsored this. They sent me money to so I can buy the second tech. Then this is the third tech. The third tech is free once you upgrade this, okay? Then after you upgrade this, uh, I suggest I suggest focus on this first, okay? Increase research speed. So you can you can do research a lot faster, 25% faster. Okay. And then you can also uh, do this if you need to boost some buildings while doing your tech, if you have enough resources. But for these two, I'll definitely go for this one. Okay, research enhancement 5. Okay, so I'll definitely go for this one first, then next is this one. So once you're done, uh, by the way, you need to max this first before moving forward. It's not that you need to, but it is suggested you max them both first so you can benefit on those 25%. Why? So remember the capital BAP, the one we borrow. It is 50% construction for Secretary of Development, and then research is 25%. So if you want research, you'll borrow Secretary of Science, that's 50%. So imagine if you max the that tech, you'll have 50% of the uh, capital BAP you are borrowing. So added to that, it would be 75%. Then if you have this skill, if your profession is engineer and you have this skill, it's another 20%. So if you have 70%, I 75%, added this 20%, is that's 90%, 95%. But if you have this one, that would be 45%. The 20 would be the 20% will be 45%. So 75 plus 25, no, 45, it would be 120% research speed boost. Okay, so that's how important this tech is. And so this is so are these. Okay, so once you max these two, you can go down again to the skill tree. You just need to level the side one, then boost oil well output again, then level 1 for the hospital capacity, and then the emergency center capacity. So you can unlock this one, then this will give you another oil well. Okay, so one more oil well from this tech. Then after you're done, you need this, just one. Okay, reduce cost for training units, and then reduce cost for healing wounded units. Just level 1 again to unlock this. Okay, unlock Dawn Parts Workshop. So what's that? Where's mine? Here. Drone work parts. It will give you drone parts. Okay, so as you can see, chadan, that's one. Still, that's one. So I can I can get one every 4 hours. One drone parts every 4 hours. Okay, so still it's not that much, but still drone parts is still drone parts, dude. Okay, so no. So once you unlock this one, then you need this one, uh, output again, and then this one. Okay, then you can leave the sides at level 1 for now. So I do not suggest for you to level up the sides more, because it's still kind of good, those texts, especially this one. I like this one and this one, but it's not that important compared to the next tech that you should do. Okay, and that would be either tank mastery or missile mastery or aircraft mastery. Okay? So for now, that's all. So, should I say bye bye?